Good morning. This is our English class. Here we are going to learn how to make words with the help of object box and LMA box. ഇപ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചത് ഈ സൗണ്ട് വരുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് ആണ്. ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് ഓ സൗണ്ട് വരുന്ന വേർഡ്സ് ആണ്. As we know, this is LMA box and this is object box with o sound. It has few objects. Today we are going to look the object and make the words with the help of LMA box. Can I identify this object? This is a pot. Pot. Let's place here. Which sound do you hear first when I say pot? Pot. Yes, p. Listen me. Which other sound do you hear when I say p? Out. P. Out. Out. Which another sound do you hear when I say pot? Pot. T. Now it's ready. Can you read with me? Pot. What is this? Do you know the name of this object? This is a mop. Mop. Let's place here. Which sound do you hear first when I say mop? Mop. Yes. Let's take the sound from the box. Which other sound do you hear when I say up? Up. Up. Which another sound do you hear when I say mop? Mop. P. Read with me. Mop. What is this? What is this? Yes, rod. Rod. Which sound do you hear when I say rod? Rod. എന്നുള്ള സൗണ്ട് ആണല്ലേ. Which other sound do you hear when I say odd? Odd. Which other sound can you hear when I say rod? Rod. D. Yes. Read with me. Rod. Nice. What is this? Top. Top. Let's place here. Which sound do you hear first when I say t up, t up, t up, t? Which other sound do you hear when I say t up, up? Which another sound can you hear when I say top, top, p? Read together. Top. And one more thing is here. What is this? What is this? Log. Log. Listen me. Which sound do you hear first when I say log? Log. L. Which other sound do you hear when I say log? Oh. Which another sound do you hear when I say log? Log. G. Read with me. log. Let's read together. Pot, mop, rod, top, log. Today we learn some words with o sound in them. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് ബുക്കിലേക്ക് എഴുതണം, വായിക്കണം, ഉറച്ചു വായിക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് മാമിന് വീഡിയോയും ഓഡിയോയും എല്ലാം സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, ബൈ, താങ്ക് യു.